After this dengue, I felt difficulty of tapping in the inner joy again. It disappeared within me. Obviously, I didn't like the sensation. So first I put that on, I'm just tired. And after I put it on, I just feel a bit foggy and focused. Actually, it was not that. It was more on an emotional level. Something broke within me. And it was just dengue. So the only way I had to come out of that was forcing me going back into meditation. And something changed. And it's as if I was rebuilding this inner joy. It takes effort to build up inner joy again.